Hello everybody, hope you're doing well. Welcome to another video in this series of demonstration videos on how you can go about operating and reporting using the district website for the rota year 2020-2021. And this video is going to be about how you can report your club's participation in other club projects. Okay, so let's just get started and also how you can get technical help if you need any. So I'll just go to this particular tab that is for other club projects. Okay, as you can see that your own club's name has already been populated. Now this is where you have to fill in the name of the project in which you participated. Okay, so let's say I participated in Noted Club of Calcutta's event on 15th of August 2020. Project name say webinar, and there were 5 participants from our club, that is from RCRCCRT. So I hope this section is clear to all of you that you just need to go ahead and write down the name of the organizing club, the name of the project, webinar on independence. Okay, and the number of members who participated. Now this number has to be reported by the organizing club as well for you to get points out of this. So make sure all of this is done, and this is why reporting at both ends is absolutely necessary. So once this is done, just hit submit button and wait a little. And now as you can see that we have reported participation in another club project, that is webinar on Independence Day, with 5 members, right? So this particular part is pretty easy. Just have something uh, backing, some kind of a backing document, or have this in your attendance sheets and everything, that these were the members who participated for the time of ZR or DERA visits. And the next part in this video, that is how do you get technical help if you need any. So for that, move on to the tab that says technical support. Once you're here, as you can see that your name and email address will be automatically populated, and you need to describe a certain issue. Say for example, I mean, um, let's just say and submit project report. Okay, describe this as much as you can, and I'm sure, I mean, you don't have to be creative with this, but just explain it as much as you can. And now for the screenshot, or say the recording, you might upload a recording or a screenshot if you have any. So I'll head back to the drive that I created again, and if you need any information on how you can go about doing this, there is a video link to the I button above, and I have a generic screenshot available here. So I'll just make this available to anyone with the link can view, and copy link, and I'll paste the link here. Once you think everything is correct, submit. After you have submitted, what this will do is this will start an email thread between the user, that is yourself, and the district. Okay, so about it, let's just say um, as you can see here that our new email has been opened, that this is an auto-generated email thread regarding your issue, club name, RCRCCIT, name, email, and this is between the district and yourself. So everything regarding your issue can be followed up right here. And if you need any other help, or if you have to give more explanation regarding your issue, you can use this email thread as a medium to communicate. So this would be it, and this is how you can go about reporting your club's participation in other clubs projects. And you can ask for any technical assistance if you need any. Thank you so much for tuning in. keep following the series for more demonstration videos regarding the registry website.